Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can feed your cat with its favorite food in Heartopia game. Okay, let's get into it guys. Sometimes you will get a mission to feed your cat with the favorite food. And basically, cat's favorite food is the cat food. And you can get the cat food from Mrs. Joan. You can visit her at the Central Square. Just go to her store. Let me enter her store. And you're going to go to the pet store. Okay, select pet store and select the cat food. And you can buy it. Then I'm going to go back to my home and feed my cat with this cat food. Okay, my cat is here, and if you want to feed your cat, you can click on this icon, and then you're going to feed the cat with the cat food. But my cat is already full, guys. But yeah, if you want to feed it, just click on feed. Okay guys, and that's how you can feed your cat with its favorite food in Heartopia game. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye!